National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Romeoville to near Shorewood, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Woodridge, Bolingbrook, Romeoville, Joliet, Lockport, Palmer Glen, and Crest Hill around 3:05 p.m. New Lenox and Ingalls Park around 3:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Fairmont, Crystal Lawns, Rockdale, and Preston Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe